To begin, open the Outlook for Windows desktop client. If prompted, sign in with your CSU ID at csuohio.edu and your campus password. Once logged into Outlook, we will navigate to the icon menu in the lower left-hand corner of the screen to select the Calendar view. Then, we will make sure we have the Home tab selected at the top of the screen, and in the toolbar, we will select New Meeting. In this window, we can enter the details of our event or meeting, such as adding a title, inviting individual attendees, setting the start and end time of the meeting, or setting a room or location of the meeting. To add this meeting directly to our Zoom schedule, we will navigate to the toolbar at the top of the box. Next to the Add a Zoom Meeting Add-in button, we will click the Settings button. A sidebar will then open, asking for your Zoom credentials. If you are not already logged in to the CSU Zoom web portal, you may be prompted to log into your account at this point. Remember, always use the SSO option when logging into your CSU Zoom account. For step-by-step instructions on this process, please see our Zoom SSO tutorial. When signing in, if you are prompted to enter a company domain, in the domain box, enter CSU Ohio, all one word, and click Continue. Select your desired video, audio, and meeting settings. When complete, click Add Zoom Meeting. We will then see that Zoom meeting details have been embedded in our Outlook calendar event. To finalize the process and send the meeting invitation to our desired recipients, we will click the Send button. Email us at instructionaltech@csuohio.edu or visit our virtual Zoom help meeting Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 at https://csuohio.edu/Zoom help.